In this video, I will show you how I actually found some insane trades today that I'm planning to take advantage of using just Market Cipher V or Vumanchu, the free version. Um, it's not as good as Market Cipher, obviously, but it has some pros because everyone can just go on TradingView, type in Vumanchu and set it up. It's very, very simple. The Vumanchu B or Market Cipher B. So right now there's 4 trades that I'm going over, and I've got 2 strategies I'm trading these 2 accounts on. So I started 2 accounts with 1k, one on Bluefin and one on Band on BitGet. I'll have links for both in the description below. You're also supporting the channel because I'm an affiliate for them if you use them. But what I want to show you was I was actually going over the order book on a few pairs, and I saw that Bitcoin and FXS are trying to draw liquidity, and also Band by the way is the best one. But let's go over Bitcoin right now and how you can use Vumanchu to find good trades. So Vumanchu, the first thing you want to do is you gotta be open to experimenting with time frames. You might be used to 15 minutes. Well, try 24, 2 hours instead of 1 hour. 2 days is what CryptoFace really likes to use as well. But something that everyone is using is money flow, which is the rect thing, and VWAP plus these waves. If the waves are bigger, we have bullish momentum, just like here. Bigger wave, and this wave is smaller than this one, so it's a trigger wave. This is a trigger wave as well. So when CryptoFace sees trigger waves just like this, he loves to long, especially hidden waves, just like this one. So you can long somewhere in between, long. A low below here would be an invalidation, maybe even on the daily low, so you can get a 1 to 1 to 1 to a lot in basically a few days. What I am trying to see on the chart, for example, on the this is a trade I found on Bitcoin. On the 4-hour chart we are already bearish, but on the 1-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, you can see that money flow is going down, VWAP is curving down, RSI we flopped. You can see that open interest, basically all of this, the pump that we had yesterday was fake news, but it was not new longs coming in. It was mostly from open interest. We can see that it was shorts closing. And then we had opens longs. After that, after the pump, we had new longs when it dumped, and then we had a lot less new longs, and then this was shorts getting liquidated, this was longs closing, and now we're actually adding in trades for the short side. We can see us heading downwards, and here are the other trades that I've placed. Some are pretty good. I have access, we nailed that on Vumanchu. You can see, and this is the best setup for Vumanchu market type. It's when the curvature on VWAP is curving like this and money flow is curving, and when you have this plus RSI flip, especially if it's on the 50, that's insane. We've seen it here, by the way, red, look at this, 50, exactly 50. For some reason this is a really good flip, works really well. Another short I have is on Band. I took it on the 2-hour chart. You can see the money flow. Ethereum, I shorted it, I think, yeah, 2-hour. Look at this, RSI, everything is just bearish now, right? It's not a hard trade per se to do. When I hit any of my levels, so you're looking for VWAP curvature plus money flow. When I see any of my levels get hit, and I normally have alerts on around support and resistance, I open up the order book and I want to see how it looks like. And basically I can make daily videos on how I'm growing these challenge accounts. I've grown some very far. I'm using BitGet and Bluefin for those because personally I believe in diversification, right? I have a big account and I mix in Binance, but with this current climate of uncertainty, it's very, very positive if you can have accounts on multiple exchanges. I encourage you to go on the link in the description down below and grab some bonuses from the actual exchanges that I use. So MXC, link in description, BITGET, 30 bonuses, BITGET, a lot of bonuses. Check all of them in the link in the description down below. Have Bluffin there as well. See you next one.